you. I'm hoping that you got it bad for me. I'm in my bag for you. I'm hoping that you in your bag for me. Breaking my back for you, but you gotta break it back for me. I just felt like she.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and today we doing this whole, I'm gonna say, soft glam. This is soft glam to me, with the bone straight, you know, wifey side part hair. Period. We sitting real pretty and we looking real classy today, and that's just that on that. Before we start the video though, make sure y'all like this video off rip. Go ahead and like it, because I know y'all gonna like it for real. This gonna be a voiceover, so it won't be that long of a video. I'm gonna get straight to the point. If you want to see a more detailed video of how I lay my lace wigs, I have one that I just recently uploaded, so it's the one before this, so make sure you click that if y'all want to see how I do it in detail. But this is just like, you know, we'll get ready with me, so I hope y'all like it. And without further ado, let's just get right into it.
Alright, y'all, so I already applied my wig cap. Now I'm going to go in with this Airbrush leg makeup spray. And I'm just going to spray it on my wig cap. And I also sprayed it on the lace part of my wig too. But I think the color I got was too light, because I ended up still having to go over it with my own makeup. And now I'm about to apply my Gots to Be glue so I can glue down my wig. I was just removing a little bit of residue from the makeup, but now I'm just laying the glue down. And then you guys know I applied this in 2 layers. So I'm just blow drying this and then putting on the second layer and then doing another blow dry.
It's just been me and my baby. Got an ex sour like a dollop of daisy. See my ex out and she wanna play crazy.
So this is the wig I got from Arabella hair, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that before I cut the lace. So I will link the wig in the description box below with the link so you guys can go straight to it. But yeah, so now I'm just going to cut off that lace, and the lace just did not sit well with me. So I don't know, like I had to do a lot to this wig. Like, look how light it was. I did not like this at all. So I went back in with the Gots to Be glue spray to try to like melt it down into my skin a little bit and put my scarf on before I started styling it. So as you can see here, I'm just putting a press to this wig, just making sure that it's like bone straight, because that's what I'm looking for. Like, I'm going for a bone straight kind of, you know, wifey side part, really, you know, popping, period. So I'm just running the flat iron through here a few times. So now, after I'm done flat ironing, I just got to go back and customize the hairline a little bit more. Do a little bit more tweezing before I lay these baby hairs down and get them popping, period. Now I'm just taking some mousse and I'm just going to put that on my baby hair so they can be easily to manipulate.
You the only one I want to have my son as well. We was flirting on the ground. Yeah, I told you once that I ain't give a damn. Oh yeah. Now you want it.
To set these babies in place and to also try to melt down my lace one more time, I'm going to spray some more Gots to Be spray. Now I'm just going to take a barrel wand curler and just run that over top so my, you know, my wig can be laid to the gods, baby. Alright, so the wig is as good as I can get it for right now. I'm just going to start on my makeup. I just filled in my eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil. Now I'm just shaping them up with some concealer by Moira Cosmetics. Everything I use right here in this part is going to be listed in the description box below. So if I don't, you know, show a product, or, you know, you weren't wondering what something is, just look in the description box. It's going to be there because I'm going to list everything.
Been me and my baby. Got an ex sour like a dollop of daisy. See my ex out and she wanna play crazy. You know I love it.
Now I'm just taking a lighter shade and putting that all over my lid. to kind of, you know, highlight my lid space. And then I'm going to add some eyeliner, put on my lashes, and then we're going to go back to blending this wig into my skin, because baby, it's just sitting and I don't like it.
Yeah, I told you once that I ain't give a damn. Oh, yeah, yeah. Now you wanna introduce me to the film.
Alright, so I'm taking my Pretty Fresh foundation from ColourPop, and the color is 200N. And that's what's going to help me blend into my wig, because, baby, I was just sitting here just looking like I had a cap on, baby, and I could not go out like that. Now I'm highlighting my face with the same concealer from earlier, blending that in. Then we're going to contour with the stick foundation by Juvias Place in Katsina, and blend that in as well.
It's just been me and my baby. Got an ex sour like a dollop of Daisy. See my ex out and she wanna play crazy. You know I love it. Yeah. But rest assured, baby girl, you won. All of them other girls just for fun. None of them other girls could get it done. You the only one I want.
Alright, y'all, so I'm about to add my little highlight, which is by Light Gold Cosmetics. And this is my setting spray, the Fuckboy Repellent by Snob Mob, baby. I love this, and I've been fuckboy free ever since I've been using it. And now we're going to do our lips. This is Chestnut Lip Pencil by MAC. And I'm going to also be using Myth Lipstick by MAC. And then just top it off with some clear gloss, baby. And we're going to be finished with the look.
Period. Period. Real.
What's stiff? What they say?
Stiff where?
Shit.
I'll put that in the video. Stiff fucking where? Like, baby, stop playing with me.
Stiff fucking where? How?
Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. As y'all know, I had to do a lot to this wig, which I was not expecting, but you know what I'm saying, it still turned out cute. I probably won't wear this out in public, just because, like, until I finesse it all the way. I ain't going nowhere today. I just wanted to record a get ready with me video, but yeah, I need to finesse this wig a little bit more so it can look more laid, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup and hair combo video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for me, leave them down in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Matter of fact, make sure you like this video, and also click the bell so you can be notified every single time your girl uploads a video, because let me tell y'all, I've been on the road, so you might miss one. So make sure you click the bell. But thank you for watching. I will see y'all in my next one. Have a great day. Bye.
Yeah, turn it up, Kenny, Jeff, Money, What?